Hello! In this video, see how Content Panda helps onboard users with step-by-step user tours. When a new employee visits this human resources site, the Human Resources Department can highlight important aspects of the site with a step-by-step user tour the first time they arrive. The employee clicks Next, and they are taken to the next step in the tour. In this example, Human Resources wants the employee to understand where to request time off, healthy habits in the workplace, and how to access their employee benefits. This can be sequenced any order to highlight the most important items first. The user can then simply end the tour. The HR department can pop up an additional dialogue with a final message to welcome the new employee with a video message, links, or a written message from the CEO. Leverage Content Panda's step-by-step guided tours to introduce new features and provide guidance to new employees or any user that might benefit.